everyone, welcome to TaiyangNews. This is Anubhambani, the senior editor at TaiyangNews, and today we are at the booth of Skyworth Solar at Intersolar Europe 2026, and I'm joined by Davide Lonardi, the Italian country manager for Skyworth Solar. So welcome to TaiyangNews, Davide, and please tell us what's new here.
So thank you for having us here. It's a pleasure for us to, invite you inside our booth. This year we are focusing a lot on the latest solution for residential scale business, and I will, explain to you how it works for us. But before that, just a quick overview at our Skyworth background, which is almost 40 years history. We started, manufacturing TV products, and we grew a lot into, the Chinese market first, and then we expanded our business overseas into more than 120 countries as far as today. And together with TV business, we also manufacture fridge, washing machine, TV screens, and all the smart appliances we need in our everyday life. So
Practically the entire ecosystem.
the entire ecosystem, exactly. That's the core philosophy of Skyworth. Our company really relies a lot in providing the entire ecosystem products for your everyday life, so for families. You can see here almost every kind of appliances of solar products that can be imagined nowadays in the modern cities. You have the rooftops, you have the condos, you have the utility scale, the parking slots, and the floating solar, wind turbines, of course. And now we can say in China we are the second provider for solar services. We installed in the last 3 years. We are pretty young in the solar business, okay? But in the last 3 years, we installed 26 gigabytes of solar power. And our expertise, which is really valuable, is to have a solid background in energy management, digital energy management, okay? And this kind of expertise, this background, this knowledge, we took it to the residential, segment, exactly. So if we can, you can follow me, and we just walk through our booth. As you can see here, we provide an entire family of products for our homes. You get inverters and batteries that manage the solar power. You have heat pumps that we integrate with the energy management devices. And you can monitor through our recently released updated version of monitoring app that has AI integrated into it that can help you and understand which is the most profitable time of the day and which is convenient to sell out the energy you are storing into your batteries. So as you can see, we also provide balcony solution, which is quite popular in Germany nowadays. There is a public registry, yes. And if you think about the condos, for instance, that we saw in our model, the model scale, it's impossible to install a proper solar plant on your rooftop, so that we provide an efficient balcony solution with a fully stackable battery, and you can store a lot of energy for your daily usage.
I see that the panels are very flexible.
Yeah, there's also a flexible, portable solar panel solution. That's was engineered for outdoor lifestyles outdoor. You go with your van to a lake, and then you open your solar panels, the foldable solar panels. You can recharge the battery of the van, your phones, the sound devices you have to enjoy life in nature with your family. Afterwards, we really started to engineer a better performing product that could be suitable for house already. You put in your balcony, on your terrace, into your garden, and you get a sort of micro solar plant that works very, very fine. Okay, and we also focusing a lot on microgrid solutions, which will be also the next generation of products.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay.